Morning everyone, Pioneer Agronomist Tony Zeruzen here. I wanted to cover a topic that we covered previously in a couple videos ago, but it's been brought up quite a bit. So, should we be switching our corn maturities into something a lot earlier? Well, the short answer is no, and I'd like to explain why. So, according to Purdue and coupled with Pioneer on studies, it takes less GDUs as we get further into the growing season. About 7 GDUs less per day starting on May 1st. So hypothetically, if we were to plant on May 31st and we took that times 7 GDUs per day, we need about 210 GDUs less than if we were planting on May 1st. Now that's a big deal, and I'd like to explain why. So here's some of our main products in a variety of maturities. So we have 101 day, 106, 111, and 114. So GDUs to black layer on the 101 is 2450. The 106 is 2500. The 1197 is 2730, and 1464 is 2630. Now, you've got to take into consideration that's at May 1st planting. So when we get into May 31st, we've got to take those 210 GDUs off. So technically, a 101 at 2450 turns into 2240. 1197 at 2730 turns into 2520, and 1464 turns into 2420. Now, that's a big deal because when we shorten our hybrids, we actually shorten them even more than what we would have originally. So it's almost like Mother Nature is shortening the hybrids for us. So that puts that 114 into the same GDU black layer range as if we were planting 101 day on May 1st. So my point is, we don't want to shorten out the season too much because we're going to be shortening those even more. As we keep into our maturing hybrids, Mother Nature will shorten for us. Another big component is these hybrids were built for Southern Illinois. When we start dragging in these maturities that we're not familiar with, can they handle a Southern Illinois summer? That's yet to be determined. So you're still in good shape on the fuller season hybrids, and I'd like to welcome any questions. If you've got any concerns, please reach out to myself or the sales rep, and I hope this helps.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.